What about character witnesses? Can people who know you well help in court? Character witnesses are people who can speak about your good character, your reputation, your behaviour. They usually give evidence at the sentencing rather than in a trial. Their statements can help show the court that the offence is out of character or that you have strong community ties. This can support a plea for leniency. The character witness doesn't have to be someone famous. It just has to be someone who knows you well and can speak as to your character. They must be telling the truth. They must be willing to come along to court and somebody asks them questions about it. There are many cases you don't call character evidence just because there is no need or it's a strategic decision by your lawyer, but it's certainly something we're always going to address with you. This is general information only. If you want to use character witnesses, then you're in a court case, you should have a lawyer, you should be discussing it with them. They should also have provided you with documents explaining what they want character witness.